Let's see how we can set up the Conversios server-side tagging app on your Shopify store. Step 1. You must enter the required information, such as the address of your website and the email address you intend to use with the app, in the app settings as displayed. Then click Save and Next. Step 2. In this step, let's see how we can set up the app. Here you will have to add the Google Tag Manager web container, server container, and the container config. You will have to go to the Tag Manager, use your web container and copy the container ID, and paste it into the app setting under the web container. You will have to add the server container ID by copying it from the server container and adding the container ID in the app. The next step is to add the container config in the app settings, where you can get it from the server container. By navigating to the container setting and clicking on Manual, you will get the container config. Copy the same and paste it into the app. Now the next step is to select the region. You can select the region as per the requirement. Then click Save and Next. Step 3. Let's see how we can add the server transport URL. If you have your own server instance, you can directly add the transport URL by adding the instance from your server. If not, reach out to us so we can provide you with a transport URL accordingly. Now I have added the transport URL that I created earlier as shown in this video. Then click Save and Next. Step 4. In Step 4 we will be adding Google Analytics for Measurement ID. Navigate to the Google Analytics for account and from Data Streams copy your measurement ID and paste it in the app as shown. Then click Save and Next. Step 5. In Step 5 we will be adding Google Ads Conversion ID and label for Google Ads conversion tracking. From the existing conversion action you might have created for a purchase event in Google Ads. Click on the same and get the conversion ID and the conversion label as shown. Then click Save and Next. Step 6. In Step 6 let's see how we can add Meta Pixel ID and Meta Conversions API. You will have to add the Pixel ID from your Meta Business Manager and add it to the app as shown. Similarly, add the Conversions API token from the Meta Business Manager account and add it to the app. If do not have one, you can generate one in your Meta Business Manager account and click on Save and Next. Step 7. In Step 7 let's see how we can enable the purchase event. Copy the code as shown in the app. Paste it into the checkout settings. Click on Save, go back to the app settings, and click on Save and Next. The final step is to activate the blocks, by clicking on Active the blocks. You will be redirected to a screen where you can enable app blocks 1 and 2. Post enabling the same, click on Save. Navigate to the app settings and enable the checkbox. Here you can see all the integrations done in the app for your reference. Thank you for watching. You have successfully set up the Conversios server-side app.